Hello peeps! How are you doing, folks? It is always good to see you visiting my channel. What you see in front of you is a 2-in-1 laptop and tablet, Asus Zenbook 14, exact model listed right in front of you. Are you interested in how to remove and replace the battery? Well, you came to the right video guide then. Let's dive straight into it, shall we? Most of these screws are hidden underneath a silicone or rubber-like cover, which you need to poke out. They are so thin that I wasn't able to reuse them. I will just do these two middle screws. You'll figure out the rest. Hard quality casing and has never been opened before, so it's shut tight. Just as a quick reminder, many replacement parts and components will be listed below in the description box of this video. So be sure to expand the box and check those links out. These are purchase links on Amazon, safe to open. I hope you will find them helpful. I thank you in advance. Pulling very gently here on the wires, which I shouldn't be doing. Time to remove the faulty battery that was actually crashing this laptop. By the way, this is just a temporary measure. You should always have a functional battery installed inside your laptop. That is it, folks. Another do-it-yourself video guide finished. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please click on the little like button below. It would mean the world to me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until we meet again, successful upgrading.